Why did the firefly stop glowing? He was burnt out. You're welcome.
So we got a good start on this wall behind me. The first night we just did like this one section. So then I started painting it early in the next morning. I just started painting it to see what I would think of the white. So then we continued on down here and up over this way. So we just have to do a few cuts around like the outlets and stuff. But I'm gonna continue painting it. Here I just did one coat of primer. I'm just gonna do a coat of primer on all of it and then I'll paint it white. So it'll be the same as the ceiling in here. So it'll all match real nicely. I'm loving it so far, really happy. Nice thing is if I hit the ceiling, it doesn't matter because it's already white too. Might have put my ladder a little too far. This is just the first coat of primer, so don't worry. Paint will go over it. And I don't think I mentioned, but again, these are the hemlock boards that we took down from the living room. So in case you hadn't seen previous videos, these are the same boards we ripped off there and we're now using in here. Now that they're dry, there should be no shrinkage.
I was in the pool! I was in the pool!
In them. Lots of paint these last few weeks, eh? Lots of painting. Soon we'll be on the floors though. And then the cabinets, and they're already painted. I don't have to do that. Oh, I also wanted to mention, some people said they really liked the natural wood look of the ceiling before I painted it. That wasn't natural. That wood had already been stained a brown color. It was like a barn board, and it had already been stained a brown, so it wasn't a natural wood at all. The one in our cathedral area ceiling, that is pine, and it's natural, and I will never paint that. But this here in my kitchen, the one that I painted white, it wasn't natural at all. Again, already had a stain on it and it was a brown stain to color it. So it had previously been colored. The only reason we bought it is because it was on sale at the time and we knew we could paint it if we wanted to. So I've painted all the boards that we currently have up. We'll continue to put the rest of them up, but we're only gonna go down to where the sink is, and then we're gonna stop because we have to remove the sink, we have to move the oven, and that's just like a lot of things to have to take off the wall and then put back on when our counter and our cabinets are all coming in just a couple weeks. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna come right down to where the sink is, and once the cabinets arrive, we'll pull the sink off, move the oven because it's being moved anyway to another wall, and then we'll quickly put the boards on there. I'll only have to paint maybe the tops of them because all the bottom ones are going to be covered anyway by cabinets and trim, so I don't have to paint them. It'll literally just be, I'll probably be able to paint anything I have to anyway, just running the boards right up to the sink. So we'll just do all that on the same day that we're going to hang the cabinets because it makes a life a lot easier, and at that time we can move the oven into its correct place as well. So for now, like I said, we'll just continue over on the far wall, coming down to basically where the oven is. Right here, we're going to just come down a couple more boards. That end's already done. Then I'll paint it and we'll wait, and the cabinets should be here probably in a week, maybe 2 weeks, because they did tell me 2 to 4 weeks, and I think it's been just over 2 weeks. So they should be here anytime. I'm really excited. Can't wait to show you guys what they look like. Okay, so we got as much done in the kitchen as we're gonna do right now. So that's all done and painted. Above here, we have to cut out the spots for outlets, and the saw we have right now just doesn't have the bit to cut through the wood for the outlets over here. So that's why we stopped there. We were going to stop at the sink anyway because we didn't want to take the whole sink off and everything before our cabinets get here, because then we're just doing it twice. So we figured we'd do it all at one time. Over on that side, we just last night put the boards up, so I have to paint it on the far side by the oven. I'll paint those, and then we're at another outlet that we have to cut out. So again, we need a bit for it. So yeah, I'm excited. We're pretty close to being ready, this wall, for cabinets. We had to rip a cabinet out in the far corner because we couldn't get the boards in. So that's one cabinet that's already down. Now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets to come down off my wall when the new ones arrive. So I didn't mind taking it down early. It's looking really good in here. We're really loving the white painted wood walls with the white ceiling. And I think it's just going to really make this place so bright and clean when my white cabinets and white countertop arrive. Can't wait to show you guys. So today one of Jeremy's friends is coming, and he is going to help us lay down all the flooring. I can't wait. It's going to totally transform this place. We've lived for 2.5 years now since the house was built with chipboard floors, and we're going to have real flooring, at least in the living room and kitchen. We're not doing the bedrooms or bathroom right now, just kind of one thing at a time. But right now we're going to get started on the floors, and it's, yeah, I just can't wait to see it. So I've been busy getting everything up off the floors and out of here. So we've been putting pretty much everything in the garage like you've seen in the last video. And yeah, we're gonna get at it.
like it, sweetie? Looks nice, doesn't it?
Nice on the feet, isn't it?
Show me, Sam, how much you love the floor. Good girl. Got the wood stove up. Looks so different with the stove not there.
And I love slipping on this floor.
What do you think, Black? What do you think, baby? You like it? You scared? You hiding? Coming together.
4 3/4.
Kitchen looks good.
Well, I'm done.
Not as good as me, but he did it.
Done for the day.
Finally got it done.
Gotta go take a nap.
On their last sheet. On your last sheet of, what is that, underlay? Is that what that's called?
Yeah.
It's called upside down underlay.
Go over to the box and bring one piece back.
Who did that? You. No, I didn't. This was on the ground. Right beside you, you friggin' idiot. Day 2, the name calling.
You can tell the job's getting coming to an end.